Big Brother Naija All Stars housemate TolaniBaj has refused an attempt by Neo to end their relationship. The duo have been in arguments and fights as Tolani has been fighting to keep her man from other female housemates. Neo asked to end their relationship while they were in a confined room. She bluntly refused Neo's suggestion of a breakup, stating that their recurring disagreements are mere obstacles that they can overcome. Big Brother Naija All Stars house guest, Lucy, has expressed readiness to stay and not leave the reality show. Recall that Lucy was introduced as one of the house guests alongside Kim, Oprah, Prince, and Omashona on Sunday. However, during her diary session on Tuesday, Lucy said she was pissed and needed to go home. She said the chaos in the house was giving her a headache. Was Neo simply using TolaniBaj as opined by Uriel?